I have been a politician who has always gone by the dictates of the party, irrespective what the party has done for me. So much so, party has insulted me not once and twice. I have gone to Delhi even to tell our president Rahul ji that what is to be done in Goa. They have not paid attention right from 2012 till date. And I have been consistently with the party because I want party is a good party. With the exception of few leaders who are so personal. We have got leaders in our party who are not even speaking against the ruling dispensation. Even by mistake they don't speak. Even by mistake the word doesn't come of the ruling party. Forget ruling party leaders, forget the chief minister, forget the ministers, forget everybody. Even the party by mistake, even their name doesn't come. They say the ruling government. Now we have this type of leaders and they point fingers at others. Now they are waiting for me to work against, by mistake or by default or by deliberation, work against the party to take those photographs and send it to the High Command. This they have been doing right from 2012 for me. So much so this time even the block president suggested names of a person, of candidates without consulting me. Now the block president, believe me, I have got a good relation with him. I went for his feast on 1st of December to his house. He didn't call, many of these leaders were not there in his house who have told him to give the names. But I was there in his house. I don't drink for Lent. We had a drink there on that day. But he does this. This is our leadership. This is called they point fingers at me when they are so much indisciplined. It doesn't augur in such a party organization to do this. They did this. They suggested names. Mr. Sardina phoned me. He phoned me. He says, do you have any problem with certain candidate? I said, I have no problem. What problem I will have? You have already given the names. I have no problem. I have been working for the party. I have been so much so with the party for so many years. 2012, I was the only fellow who was fighting with the BJP. When Manohar Parrikar was the chief minister. I remember even Vijay Sardesai, even Rohan County, even Naresh Savard were not there when I first started my career against the ruling dispensation, and more so against Manohar Parrikar. And till today I have been on the opposite. Now all fellows left the party. I am irrespective still there, along with 4 people who have enjoyed all power and positions.
Will you campaign for Congress?
I have not been given my position. Still I am telling you, I am a congressman. I am a congressman. Wherever somebody, whenever any candidate wants my help, I will give my help. Till today, I have been receiving some calls for me to come and campaign for some candidates. I have no issues. If they call me, I will go.